Hey everyone, so we are in Atlanta traffic. It's not too bad right now, but we're going to do a quick interview with Michelle and Becca, Overworld Designs and affiliated with Making It Up. And I'm going to put all of their stuff down in the description for you to link to it, and you might see a few pop-ups that you can click on here to link to their content. It's pretty good. So, guys, what kind of work do you do? What is your shop based around?
We do props and special effects, costuming, prop making, stuff like that. We've done a lot of cosplay type stuff. We did and are currently working on a job for Cartoon Network, things like that. I always tell people that we make big, weird things that no one else knows how to make or why you would make them. That's what we specialize in.
That sounds like a fair description to me. If you had to point to any one specific project that was kind of what you would show off as what you do, what project would that be?
Probably the Furiosa prosthetic.
Okay.
So back in 2015, I was working with a client who is an amputee. She's missing her left arm, and this was right when Mad Max Fury Road came out. And she very obviously identified with the character Furiosa very strongly. So I made her a real prosthetic arm, like Furiosa's prosthetic. And that's one of my favorite projects, and definitely the project that continuously seems to, even years later, gets coverage. And that kind of encapsulated everything that I do. There was 3D modeling, 3D printing, molding, and casting. Very interesting, and again, hard. The process involved in it is not something that most people know how to do or would even know how to do, because we had to life cast her arm as well. Because I couldn't test fit it on myself, right? And I couldn't have her coming to the shop every day to make sure things are looking and fitting properly. So I had a life cast of her arm made that we also then 3D scanned to build the 3D model around. So that project kind of hit all of the highlights of all the stuff that we do.
That's probably one of the first things I saw that you've done. Now, TheRedHuman back here, in rare unmasked form, does a lot of your video work. And what would you say is your best video, or what you would show off to someone to show what you can do?
Probably the documentary.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what documentary was that?
The Half-Life 2 cosplay documentary. The Hotline documentary.
Yep. That was.
Click on this thumbnail that's right here.
Sure, I'll put one there. Something. I'll do something there.
Right there.
It's going to be a thing in the top right.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wherever that is, go click on that. Awesome. Good stuff. If you had one discipline within your shop that was your favorite thing to work on, whether that be printing or 3D modeling, what is your particular favorite discipline?
I have often said that every project we do is an excuse for me to make molds of things. Mold making and casting is so much fun. So a lot of what we do, we create molds of, either because we need multiples of them, or whatever the master sculpt is made out of can't be the final product, either because of weight or stability or whatever. So most things that we make get molded in silicone, and then we pull fiberglass or cast resin pulls from. And the mold making is my favorite part every time.
Right, and I think that also enables your stuff to be a lot more durable than if it were just a print or something that you were to carve or sculpt.
Yeah, plus you can add a lot of effects to casts that you can't necessarily do to a raw print or a clay sculpt or whatever. Like if we cold cast something, it has aluminum or brass or bronze or whatever powder encapsulated into it. So it has a metallic finish because it is metal. And you just can't beat real metallic luster with paint.
For sure. So, thanks really very much for that. These guys have been a supporter of mine for a while, and I hope you'll go be a supporter of theirs. Go check them out. They have a great Twitch stream.
Use the right lane to take exit 19 for US 41.
Exit 19, everybody.
Yep. So, also listen to Google Maps. That's great. But they have a great Twitch stream to go check out, and they're starting to put out some more video content that's really, really well put together, and you should definitely do that.
Yeah, we're live right now on Twitch at twitch.tv/MakingItUp.
Anything to add?
No, that's it.
All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.